Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make these cute crochet earrings. They are really easy to make. I have used a nylon thread to make this in golden color, and I put the tassel onto the center as well as to down side of your earrings. You can make the plain one if you like, or you can make earrings kind of like the I made with the you can add the accessories you like. So I have used this nylon thread, which is made in the local market of Karachi by Dolphin brand. You can get this brand, you can get whatever brand you wanted to. I made this one with the gold color I have, but I'm making for this demonstration I'm using this maroonish reddish nylon. So, and I'm using the size 3mm crochet hook for this. Oops. For this demonstration. Sorry about so much noise of this bag. So now to start this, we have to do first is we have to make a slip knot. Oops, focus. Okay, we have to make a slip knot. These earrings are quite simple to make. Now you have to chain 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. After you make chain 24, we are going to join to the very first chain, and you make sure your chain is not twisted, okay? So we're going to make a slip stitch like that. Now into the very first chain, first you have to chain 1, and now into the very first chain where we have given the slip stitch, insert your hook in, grab the thread and do a single crochet like that. Okay, I hope you can see that properly because okay, perfect. And now you have to do single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Total are going to be the 6. So we have to do the first single crochet and into the next, again, single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After you make 6 on the 6th one, chain 2, 1, 2, and then again continue making single crochets. Again, single crochet 6 into each of the next. You have to make 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 2 again, 1, 2. Again, 1 single crochet in next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. chain 2 again, 1, 2, 1 single crochet in next 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and now we are back to the beginning. After making the sixth one, chain 2, 1, 2, and into the very first single crochet you have to give a slip stitch, and this is the end of the round 1, like that. And this is how your work's gonna looks like. For round 2 you have to turn your work to the opposite side. You're working like that. Now we were working like this side. Now we have to turn the work to the other side and give a slip stitch to the chain 2 space. So insert your hook to the chain 2 space, grab your thread and pull it through. Oops. And pull it through. Ah! Why? Pull it through. Through. Okay, finally. Please, please. Don't do this with me. Okay, insert your hook again if you missed it like I do. Insert your hook again into the chain 2 space. This has always happened to me while making a video. And you know what? I don't edit it because I really don't like to edit it. Okay, I know these are the mistakes we do in the simple life. Okay, finally. And then pull it through. Yes! Yay! Okay, now for round 2, you have to give a slip stitch to, you have to first turn the work, slip stitch to the chain 2 space, and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wrap your yarn and do the double crochet into the same stitch. Like that. Double crochet into the next 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now you have reached to the very first chain 2 space. Now what you have to do is wrap the yarn and do a double crochet into this chain 2 space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet one more time into the same chain 2 space. Like that. Wrap the yarn and do double crochet into the next 6 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you have reached to the next chain 2 space, and we have to do again. Wrap the yarn and do a double crochet into the chain space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do double crochet into the same chain 2 space. And again, double crochet till you reach the next chain space. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then double crochet to the chain space, chain 3, 1 2 3, double crochet to the same chain 2 space, like that, and again double crochet to the last 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to join to the 1 2 3 third chain. We have made 6 chain on the start of this round, so you have to count 1 2 3, and at the third chain you have to do a slip stitch like that. Slip stitch to the chain 3 space, the next chain space, chain 1, pull the yarn, thread, nylon or whatever you're making with, cut the yarn and make it a little bit tight, and this is how your work will look like, your earring. We have to put the hook at the top, and you can do the hanging of any of these beads at the downside. You can do the pearls at the center or the sides, whatever you like, and they are really easy to make. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more, kindly do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to my videos.